Hello, this is Susanne with Douglas Elliman Real Estate, bringing you tips and tricks to make your home buying and home selling process easier and more efficient. Today, I'd like to talk to you about open house etiquette. When you're a buyer and you're new to the search, you probably are going to check out a lot of open houses in areas you're considering to familiarize yourself with the inventory and to even decide if there's anything worth buying out there before you sell your house or current property if you are a homeowner already. So if you go to an open house, sometimes it's hosted by the listing agent themselves, sometimes it's other agents that are helping out the listing agent. They usually will ask you, are you working with an agent? Now, the reason why they're asking is because if you're not working with an agent, you're considered their direct buyer, and then they can help you make an offer and work with them directly, even though they represent the seller. So you would be their customer, the seller is their client. If you would like down the road when you're ready to buy, to actually have an agent represent you during the process as a buyer's agent, it's very important that you sign in with an agent that you'd like to work with in the future. If you don't have an agent yet that you've chosen with and you just would like to check it out yourself, you can put in an agent that you know, somebody that you're familiar with, that you've come across in the past. Just put in their name as a placeholder. You don't have to work with that agent, but if you put in that you're working with an agent, when you sign in at the open house, the listing agent is aware that you will have representation with a buyer's agent when you make an offer. Otherwise, it's very hard for a buyer's agent to come in after the fact and help you through the process. Now, when you do go through the open house, one important tip is try not to use the bathroom. There are a lot of sellers that are very uncomfortable with strangers using their bathroom. It's also, I've come across it that some messes were left behind. So be respectful of the space. Feel free to open the closets usually, but don't open any drawers or any closets that are obviously not part of the house, that are not going to stay there, that are not built-ins. So these are the tips and tricks for today. If you want to check out more, look at my YouTube channel at Real Estate TV NYC. And if you'd like for me to help you with the home buying and home selling process, just email me at Susanne, that's SUSANNE, at realestatetvnyc.com. Bye and good luck out there.